A man was killed by his wife's brother. Name of the deceased is Anil Kumar Jamatia. Later on Saturday morning, accused Padma Kumar Jamatia surrendered himself at Killa police station. This incident took place at Kaiping Bulai area under Killa police station on Friday night. Anil Kumar Jamatia is a resident of Kaiping Bulai area under Killa police station. He is approximately 50 years old. According to the details of the incident, it is known that Padma Kumar Jamatia took 6 to 7 people to Anil Kumar Jamatia's house on Friday night and brutally beat up Anil Kumar Jamatia. As he was brutally beaten up, he fell down on the ground in a bloody state. The accused fled after family members, including neighbors, came running. Family members rescued Anil Kumar Jamatia and took him to Killa Primary Health Center. From there, he was referred to Gomati District Hospital in a critical condition, but the family members took him to their home instead of taking him to the district hospital. Later, Anil Kumar Jamatia died at his home on Saturday morning. After receiving the information about the incident, the police of Killa police station rushed to the house of deceased Anil Kumar Jamatia and took the body to Gomati District Hospital for postmortem.
ঘটনা আজকে সকাল 9টা নাগাদ খবর পাই কিল্লা থানার অন্তর্গত কাইপিং বুলাই এখানে একটা পারিবারিক সমস্যা হয় এবং সেই সমস্যা ব্যতীত এখানে একটা মৃতদেহ পড়ে থাকে। সেই মৃতদেহটাকে পরবর্তী সময় আমরা তারপরে হাসপাতালে আনি এবং এখন ময়নাতদন্ত চলছে। তদন্ত করার পর সঠিক কি হয় কি না হয় সেটা আমরা বলতে পারবো। ধন্যবাদ।
After the postmortem, the body was handed over to the family members. However, after the incident, accused brother-in-law Padma Kumar Jamatia surrendered at Killa police station. It is also known that Anil Kumar Jamatia was beaten up by his brother-in-law on Friday night over the dispute, and the police has started the investigation. Reported by Razif from Udaipur, Chinikhorang.